Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove Powered by WordPress with plugin. Let's get started. So you can see right here that I have in here this Powered by Woo. So on some cases, it is called Powered by Woo instead of Powered by WordPress. It depends on the plan that you have. Since I have this plan, I have this Powered by Woo. So if I want to remove it, I can actually remove it with a plugin. So let's head over right here to our dashboard. Now scroll down until you can see the option for plugins. Click on this add new plugin that we have right here, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. Click on this search bar right here, and then from in there, search in here for remove footer credit. So let me just head over and then type that right here. And then from in there, just search this. And then you should be able to see some search results related to this one. We have in here this remove footer credit with WP Chill. So head over and click on this one, and then from in there, click on this install and activate right here, and then install this particular plugin. Once it's been installed, let's locate it. So scroll down until you can see the option for tools, and then you can see in here this remove footer credit. Now let's click on it, and then from there you should be able to see the particular dashboard that they have, wherein you just need to enter right here the text or HTML to remove one per line, or you can also enter your own footer credit, which is also one per line. Now let's head over to our actual website, right click, and then from in there, click on the inspect option. Here's inspect option. Now once you have clicked on it, just click on this select icon. Now in here, let's select this icon right here, which is powered by Woo. So here it is right here. Now, once we have selected it, we can see that it actually locates that particular code for that. So what we can do is you can right click on it, and then from in there, let's head over and edit it out. Now, what we can do is you can click on this edit as HTML. Now, let's copy all of this, and then let's paste it right here. And then from in there, head over and save this progress that you have made. And then once it's been saved, it will be removed in here. So let's head over right here. Let's close Inspector. And then let's try to refresh our site right here. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see, this powered by Woo will be removed in just a few seconds. So you can just head over and refresh your site however you want, and then just wait for this to remove. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.